Can you imagine a statue taller than 50-floor building? India has some of the tallest statue in the world. Today, let's see the top 5 tallest statue in India. First, Statue of Unity, Gujarat. This is the tallest statue in the world. It is 182 meters tall and is in Gujarat. It was built in 2018 in memory of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also called the Iron Man of India. The cost was more than 3000 crore. It is one of the biggest tourist place in India. Second, Statue of Belief, Lord Shiva. The Statue of Belief is the tallest statue of Lord Shiva in the world. It is 112 meter tall and is in Rajasthan. It was completed in 2020. Around the statue, there are beautiful gardens and temples where many people come to pray and visit. Third, Veer Abhay Anjaneya Hanuman Swami, Andhra Pradesh. In Paritala near Vijayawada, there is a very big statue of Lord Hanuman. It is 41 meters tall and was built in 2003. At the time, it was the tallest Hanuman statue in the world. Even today, thousands of people come here to see and worship Lord Hanuman. 4. Tiruvallur statue, Tamil Nadu. In Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu, you can see the tall Tiruvallur statue. It is 41 meters tall and was built in 2000. The special thing about this statue is that it stands on a small island and the sea is all around it. The special things about this statue is that it stands on a small island and the sea is all around it. It is a very beautiful sight for tourists. 5. Tathagat Sal Buddha Park, Sikkim. In the hills of Ravangala, Sikkim, there is a big statue of Lord Buddha. It is 39 meters tall and was opened in 2013. This place is not only a tourist but also a very important place for Buddhist pilgrims. It is calm, peaceful and surrounded by natural beauty. These statues are not just tall, they are part of India's faith, culture and history.